Hello everybody, welcome back to another mukbang. This is the channel for Sporks and Dorks, and today you are getting me Brittany. Today our mukbang is going to be strawberries, chocolate milk that's in a Corona glass because that's what was clean in my house, and chunky monkey. Alright. Packaging. Why didn't I do this beforehand? Come on, oh. Who doesn't like Chunky Monkey? You see ice over here. Okay, now we're gonna get into it. Oh my god. Ooh, I got everything in this bite. That's perfect right there. Take your bite. Eat it. My turn. Mmm. Oh, cold. It's so cold. Oh my god. It's so good. Who doesn't like Chunky Monkey? No, you can't say you don't like this. Because I hate banana flavored stuff. But, I love Chunky Monkey ice cream. It's like a banana split. It really is, because I got the strawberries to go with it. Oh. So, how's life? Mine's going good most of the time. No, but for real, I'm being real today. Today was not my day. I woke up not in the best of moods. I think we all have those days where we're just like over it and we're like, let's go back to sleep. But here I am, choking on a strawberry, making a mukbang for you people. If you want me to do some other flavors of ice cream, if you guys like this, and to take it out of the tub, I didn't think about doing that, but I should have, but I didn't. Oh my gosh, look at these big chips. So, last night, I stayed up until like 1 o'clock in the morning because I was watching a documentary on Michael Jackson. And I'm not somebody who watches or listens to Michael Jackson because my dad, he didn't listen to Michael Jackson. He was more into the glam rock, you know, big hair, screaming ah into the microphone, that shit. Yeah. That's what my dad listened to. And then my mom thought she was a gangster. she listened to rap music. So she didn't listen to pop music either, so I'm not someone who was brought up on those things, like on Michael Jackson. Only recently have I myself listened to some of his music. It's not, again, like I said yesterday, I can't eat anything without making goddamn mess. It's my thing. But no, I was watching a documentary on him. It was called Man in the Mirror. I don't know. Like, I watched it on YouTube. I don't know if it was, like, up there legit. So I'm not going to link it below. But, well, no. I'll link it below. Well, I'll link it below. So you guys can know what I'm talking about. It was a very interesting take on Michael Jackson. Things I didn't know about him. Like, I didn't know that he idolized Peter Pan and wanted to be Peter Pan. He never wanted to grow up. And he always acted childlike. Even into his 40s, like his late 40s, because he died, I think, at 50. Yeah. And, even then, he idolized Peter Pan because Peter Pan never had to grow up. And Michael Jackson himself, I guess, really never had a childhood because he was in the Jackson 5. And it was really interesting to see, like, the dynamic of how he, as a child, because his siblings are a lot older than him, how he, as a child, had to deal with, like, groupies and how his brothers dealt with it. And, yeah, it was, like, I didn't know that about him. Like, I knew, like, okay, let's address the elephant in the room. I knew about the allegations against him, but I didn't know, like, he himself was really childlike. And that's why a lot of people don't really... My dog. She's in the background. That's why a lot of people don't say yay or nay to the allegations. Because of the way he acted. He himself was like a child, so most people don't believe he would do that to children. Because children don't think that way. And I get that. Like, children are not really, they're not sexualized and whatever else. And then, like, I don't know, it was just really interesting about how in the documentary, I don't know if he had other people, but in the documentary, apparently through his life, he only ever legitimately dated 2 people in his whole life, and then he had children with the 3rd woman, but he never, like, dated her or anything. It was just, like, a mutual agreement that she would have his kids. I thought that was interesting, like, I can't get no peace from these dogs. Oh, come here. Come here. Come here, monkey, monkey, monkey. You want to be on camera? Oh, no. She's like, I don't want to be on camera. What is a camera? I don't like the camera. Why'd you bark? They care about Michael Jackson, even if you don't. No, so it was really interesting to, I don't know, have a deeper look or understanding of someone that I didn't grow up with, but I know a lot of people did grow up with. And he really is, like, an icon. Lola. Can you calm down? There is nobody outside. They're allowed to be in their own house. Anyway, so yeah, no, I don't know. I thought Michael Jackson. My neighbors are going into their own home, and my dog is having a heart attack. She's like, "Who are you? You're not even allowed next door. It's their house." Oh, she's being too much. You know what? Mukbang over. Bye, y'all.